everyone, this is Sam Wilson here. Let us go through this project. Right, okay, let's see what's in it. This project title is DataSpark Illuminating Insights for Global Electronics. This is a business analysis project. We are going to, already Global Electronics gave us some data in this data sets, like their customer data on product. Basically, I'll tell you what is Global Electronics. Global Electronics is a retailer. They sell the products in their store. Electronics means you can assume laptops, computers, and video games, and other home appliances like fans, and you can see cell phones and others like video games. You can see they are all electronics, right? In the Global Electronics, they sell the all electronic products. Okay, how they sell? They are retailers. That means they got it from manufacturer. They got the products from the manufacturers, and they sell the products in their stores. That's what retailers. This is basically retail analytics in the electronics industry. Okay. Right. We have a data. Okay. Right. How we get the data when you go to one store means electronic store means when you bought and you go to the bill section means they will gather some data you gave them contact informations like other. That's other data. They gave the information about yourself. With this data they can get your which customers are coming, male or female, or other things like how many of them coming, what they bought. It's all in their data. When you bought the electronics means you are giving your data what you bought, like that. It's useful for them also. After gathering some amount of data in a year, they can use it to predict the future product distributions like that. Okay, let's see how we are going to analyze the data and how we are going to predict and what we are going to recommend this to. Problem statement, you can see we are going to, there are some data they gave in Global Electronics. We are going to explore the data and analyze it. Okay, then how we are going to do? We are going to visualize the data first. Basically the data are like this in table form. We can't analyze it like that. If we are going through this everything means there are totally 2000-3000 rows, so we can do like this. So we are going to use a visualization. We are going to convert this data into visual form like this. Okay, let's see. Your goal is to provide actionable recommendation. Okay, for future growth our goal is to recommend them what the customers enhance customer satisfaction and optimize operation and drive overall business growth. You can see what I told you, like Global Electronics is a leading retailer. Consumer electronics has provided you with several data sets like customer details. They provided customer details. Customer details means our name, gender, city, like state, country, birth date, like that. Okay, then product details. Product details means what the store has. Store has a product brand name, color, and its manufacturer cost. Manufacturer means where they get the product before arrival to the store. Okay, this is a unit prices, like you can see unit price, right? Unit prices what they sell in the store. and it's a subcategory means if a product has a name Contoso means its subcategory is MP4 MP3 like that. Okay, then stores, it's stores where their stores is global electronics has many stores they run the world, so they have a total of 64 stores. Okay, they sell the products, electronic products. Okay, like and the currency exchanges, if you are going to compare the currency means around the world means there are so much currencies like rupees, dollars and pounds, euros. So we are going to compare every currencies with exchange rates. Okay, it's a business case by analyzing global electronics customer product sales and store data. We aim to identify key insights. We are going to identify the key insights means we are going to identify key informations like we are getting the what we need from this table column, how we are going to use the, if we are going to use this gender means to how many people are coming to the store, what they bought and which product is most capable, like that we can analyze with that. So that's a key insight. That's that we are going to analyze and get the visualization. We are getting the data from the visualization, the key insights. Okay, enhance marketing strategies. These are the we are going use cases and how we are going to approach this project. Okay, let's see. Data cleaning. First we are going to clean the data because we are having a raw data here. Raw data means we have some values like none values, some blank values here. Okay, some data types are in birthday, it's not a data type, it's like an integer like that. So we are going to change, otherwise the Python code give us a error, or if we load into the database means we are going to get error. So we need to change the data first. Okay, otherwise we are getting error, and visualization also, if we visualize it like that we can do that, but if we do that means it will put some gap or shows error. So first we need to clean the data. Okay, cleaning and preparing the data. Let's see how we are going to missing values and handle them properly, convert data types. Okay, let's see how I did it. In Python programming we are using pandas. Pandas is going to it's using to read and load the local datas into this, or local or any other datas into the Python environment. Okay, let's see. I have already I got data sets from the project. Okay, from the company. So you can see these are the data. I have product, customer details, exchange rates, and product details. Okay, sales details and store details. These are the 5 data I got from the company. These data are raw, like missing values are there. So now we are going to let's see. I already done this. So let me explain this. Okay, first we are going to load this using pandas. Load means I already have that file in my local PC, local folder. So I am going to load this file into this. Okay, first I loaded the file using pandas read CSV. Okay, if you load means you got total, I got 15,266 rows. This is a customer table, it's a first one, you can see. After you can see that like clearly we have a city, we don't need a state code, right? If we have a city name means it's already shown the we don't need a state code. Either one is necessary because we have a city name means we don't need a state code. That means we don't need zip code also, and we need to change the birthday into date type. So let's see. Here we change the birthday to date type. If you are not going to change means it's not the format is always wrong. We can't convert into the age or anything. It's like integer. Okay, this error course means if any blank or anything blank or any wrong input is there means it will show us a NAT value. Okay, then we print df customers, again data from customers, and it shows did the data type in this. Okay, like you can see month, date, year. If we can now show the data frames info, like information we can see in this. Okay, right, there are non-null values. Non-null value means there are some null values in this rows and columns. Okay, now we are seeing if there is any null values means we need to change it into the numbers, otherwise it shows some error. Let's see, and we need to change some data types also. First, it has total 15266 entries, but there is no gender. We have in state code, there is a null values in state code. So now we are checking what in data frame is null value is there means it will show. In state code there is showing. I already told that. Okay, now what we are going to do is we already seen the data and analyzed it, it's necessary or not, we already seen. Okay, now we are going to drop this. We don't need this, it's already null value. If we need means we need to change the null value into zeros, but now we don't need this, so we are going to drop the state code column and zip code column. Axis 1 means it is column, and in place means it's true means it will change the data frame, original data frame. Okay, the same process continues. It's like in exchange rates also. First load the document and load the file, CSV file, and in this we are going to change. It's not a currency. Okay, it's a currency code. Currency means dollar, $1, $2, $3. That's a currency. It's a currency code. So we are going to change the name into currency code. Okay, right, and we are going to change the date type also here, and we are checking the info if there is any null values are there or not. There is no null values, so it's okay. Now the next product CSV file, we are loading the CSV file, and if you analyze means what we need, what we don't need. You can see we don't need a subcategory key because we already have a customer category key. Let's see what I did. DF products info, let's see, 2 6 is null. There is no null values, so it's okay. Now what we are doing here is in unit cost there is a dollar symbol, but we need it in the numbers. Okay, if dollar symbol means it's not considered as a number, it's like a text. Okay, so we need to consider it as a float value because it's a currency, money value. Okay, so we are going to take what we are going to get delete this dollar value, and if there is any comma in higher values means we are going to drop that also. Okay, let's see, instead of replace dollar instead of dollar we are going to replace nothing, and instead of comma means it's nothing. Okay, and we are going to change the cost USD type into float, and the same as the price. Okay, let's see the info now. You can see it changed into float. Again we are going to I already told subcategory key is not necessary, so we are going to drop this. Okay, in sales also we are going to do this same. These null values, there are so much null values are there, so we are going to in order date we are going to change it into a date. Okay, date type, and in delivery code we are going to filling the other null values into 0. If it's a binary value, it's number value means it's okay. If it's null value means it will show error, so we are going to fill it in 0. And stores, the same process here, same process, and checking is there anything, fill 0. 67 stores, 1 store in square meters, there is a one null value, so we are filling it, and df stores fill now 0. If it, then it will like 0. And afterwards we are changing the date into the date type, replacing the non values into none. Next we are like, let's see, first cleaning process all over. Next, load data. Insert the preprocessed data into SQL database by creating relevant tables for each data source using SQL insert. Let's see. Let's see. Here we create the SQL connection. Okay, it's a connection between SQL database. SQL is a structured query language. What we are going to do is we cleaned the data. So why we need that? It's a database. It's like you can like online storage. Okay, it's a database. Okay, why we need this? Because in Power BI is a visualization software. In this we need the SQL to get the data from Power BI. We are going to get the data from Power BI, from SQL to Power BI. So we need to load the data into SQL. So we are connecting Python and SQL like connection. So Psycho PG2 is a connector to I am using a postgresql. So it's a connector. Now it's a connection, it's a host, and a database, it's a connecting, and it's auto commit, it will auto commit what we execute. Okay, let's see. And now we are going to create a table. There is some standards are there for this. Okay, if customer key means customer key needs to be int, gender means it's need to be a varchar means you can say text, name varchar, city, okay, birthday we need to change, but we will change in the SQL query. Okay, and insert query for one is over, it's for customer details, and this is a insert query, it's a column title. Okay, this is, and again we are going to insert the customer details, like we are going to insert the values for the columns we inserted. And it's a data frame. Data frame means we got the data frame, we are connecting the data frame and values to list in a list of list. Okay, insert query and data. Then again afterwards we are creating for exchange table also same method, and afterwards product details, and afterwards we are creating the same for sales details, and afterwards we are creating the store tables also. Now we inserted the every cleaned data into the SQL. We can see right here there are tables. This is the SQL postgresql interface. Okay, This is a server and here's the database. In this table we have 5 tables. Okay, customer details, exchange details, and product details, sale details. You can see here when I run it, it shows the values. 15,266 values are there, total rows. You need to load it, then only it shows. You can see, right, whenever you load the column it will show. Okay, like that we have 5 cleaned data. Now we loaded that, and here we alter tables. We already I told that instead of changing the date type in Python, we are changing here birthday type, and here also order date type. Okay, next let's see. I already told two approaches are finished, and third we are going to do connect SQL to Power BI, import the data and create interactive dashboards. Okay, let's do that. This is a Power BI interface. It's a visualization software. We can get the data first. This is a method, get data. There is options where we can get the data. Excel workbook. We are getting data from postgresql. Okay, if you do that, localhost and it will connect and give me a data. So okay, I already get the data from SQL, so I am not going to click OK now. Let's see what I did from this data. Okay, these are the data I get from the SQL. Let's see about the Power BI visualization. Already did that. Okay, interactive dashboards. This is analysis steps for creating the interactive dashboards. First, customer analysis. In customer analysis, what we need to analyze is demographic distribution. Analyze the distribution of customers based on gender, age. Okay, calculated from birthday, and location, state, country, and continent. Okay, purchase patterns and the segmentation. Let's see what we did here. You can see here it's a global electronic sales. Now customer analysis. You can see total of genders came to the stores are 15,000 people came to the store. Okay, in this females are total 7.51k. 7,500 female customers came to the electronic store, and males are 7.74. It's slight difference, but male is compared to female, male is higher. Okay, let's see. Based on country, we can see that how many people came to the store. Australia, Canada, comparison, like we can see how many people came to the store compared to which one is higher. It's like United States has a higher rate of people came to the store. Okay, then what's in here? Let's see. It's a location, and here you can see, right, city, state, country, and continent. 4 data are separated, but I combined it together. Then you can see it in one column. Then females in this location, this female and 66 age. Like that I arranged the demographic distribution. Okay. let's see segmentation. Segmentation is its order value. Order value in the sense means you can see it's a there is a manufacturer. Manufacturer is a one who create the product, manufacture the product. Okay, the product then they gave it to the retailers to sell the product. Manufacturers gave this amount for the products. Manufacturer get this amount for the products before and the global electronics sales store sells it for different prices. Okay, this is the order value, means it's a manufactured product order value. It's a cost of the product before selling it. Now we can compare it. How much customers came to the stores total over country, every country. So in 8 countries are there, you can see total 15,266 customers are there. Frequency of purchases means quantity of products. How many products are there? How many products, not how many. Quantity means you can see how many products are there. 26,326. And here you can see order value for each country. 11, you can see that, right? Frequency of purchases. Okay, let's see, we seen this one. Next, sales analysis. Overall sales performance. Analyze total sales over time, identifying trends and seasonality. Let's see. In this sales by product, we are seeing sales by product. These are the products they are selling in the electronics store. These are the total sales. Okay, total sales is frequency of orders. In this, frequency of purchases means how much they purchase in over time. Frequency. Okay, that's what I want to clear it. Now in this you can see total orders. In 2016 total sales are how much? 21,000, but total quantity is we have in store. Total quantity means total products. Total products, how much products they have means 22k products are there, but they sold means 21,761, and they got 6 million for this revenue. Total revenue means how much they get from selling this product. And compared to this, you can see it's increasing 20, and it's 7 million now, and 44k total quantity. It's selling above 44 they are selling above extra products here, and it's 12 million. And 2019 you can see it's overall increasing, right? 18 million. And 2020 it's because quantity is low, means that's not a big deal, because they are selling high priced products here, the computer and laptops. So that's what here it is. Okay, it's also extra, they sold extra products, and this is for 9 million. And 2021 there is only 2 months are there. 2021, that's why it's too low quantity. You can see here 3,700, and it's also achieved million. Okay, it's a overall performance here. You can see total sales, how much you got it from 2016 month wise. Total sales and total revenue also. What we see in this table column, you can see it's increasing, decreasing, we can increasing, right? And it's also like let's see what we're going to see about next. Let's see about sales by store next. Assess the performance of different stores based on sales data. Okay. This is a sales by store. In Australia, you can see total stores. There are a total 6 stores are there. Wait, first total 67 stores are there. Total 160. This is total all over the world. The Global Electronics are the stores in all over the world. Total 67 and 198 sales, and they sold 198k products. Okay, and it's order value and the total revenue. You can see the difference. Order value means them they get the product from the manufacturing. They get this amount from the manufacturing for the products. Okay, but they earned 55.76 million. They have expenses also, like transportation fees and other expenses also, maintenance fees for the stores. So but they have a profit also. It's a profit, right? You can see that. In Australia, there are 6 stores. You can see right here. First store key 1 means 1. There are 67 store keys. In Australia, the first store key has total sales 871, and the second store has low, and third there is no sales, and fourth you can see right. Fifth, sixth, there is also Canada also, and France there are 7 stores. You can see it's the trend line is okay. It's average only. Germany, you can see the total revenue, and this is the sum of square meters, means country wise and store wise how much spacious it is, how much the store is spacious, and sales per square meter means if it's worth it or not, that space is worth it or not for the sale. Okay, we done this. Next, sales by currency. Examine how different currencies impact sales figures considering exchange rates. Exchange rates means you can listen. Exchange rate means all over the world, every country has a different currencies, right? Every like in USD means United States dollar, and euro means Europe currency. Okay, then GDP means Europe means Europe currency, and GDP means Great British pounds. This is a pounds, and CAD means Canada dollars, Australian dollars. There are so many varieties of currencies, and we are going to compare. There are so different values are there. If we compare Indian rupees and USD dollars means 70 to 80 rupees means $1 in US. Okay, that means how much difference is it? Exchange rate also different means. That's exchange rate. Now we are see. You can see this circle. How much US currency is compared to other? How much the currency is circulating than others for purchases? Okay, let's see. In 2016, it's compared to others, it's big. You can see next one euro and GDP and Canada dollars and Australia dollars. And 2017, it's still US dollar is, can see right. It's not lower, it's going higher only. The US dollar exchange rate is so high than other dollars. And okay, let's see. Next one. It's a time intelligence. It's a total sales in this year and previous year. In this year means year before year, previous year means, okay. Let's see, if we consider 2017 means you can see slight variance in sum of total sales. You can see, right? Sum of total sales PY 2020 93, total sales 2282. You can see previous year it's higher, but now it's lower, like that. It's a month wise. And these are the products based on the years, which are the top selling products. You can see first one is desktop. This is for a whole every years in 2021. This is based on all selling products, like in every year from the start the company the store opened till now. Till now means 2021. You can guess, right? This is this much products sold in this desktop, sold in 550 products they sold desktops. We can see year basis also. In year basis also desktop is going 2017. AdventureWorks desktop is the highest sales here. You can see there is so much. It has a minimum sales product also, and minimum sales and a maximum sales product also. Now let's see about this. This is a sales forecasting. We will predict future with this data. How we predict let's see, total sales by year. Let's see if we get this from 2016 Jan to 2021. We have a data 2021 February. Afterwards we will predict how the selling is going. You can see it's up and down. Sometimes it's selling 355 and it's going 117 only they sold. This is total sales, means how much products they sold. In this you can see it's finished within February 1, and afterwards it's a prediction, like it's a forecast. Forecast means how much is going to sold. Upper bound means it's okay, lower bound plus means it's not okay, minus means it's okay. Minus means it's good, plus means it's total bad. Total bad means less sales. Minus means it's a good sale. Okay. Wait, I'll show slowly. You can see minus. Upper bound means it's increasing. In the graph you can see it's increasing. Lower bound means it's decreasing. So increasing means it's good. You can see slight changes, but it shows profitable. Okay. Let's see then again product analysis. In product analysis what we are going to see is let's see the data first. In product popularity and profitability analysis and the category analysis. Okay, popularity, let's see. This is a brand wise, it's a brand, it's a database own brand, AdventureWorks in a brand, and these are the categories in this brands: computers, cell phones, musics, and home appliances, audio. This is unit cost is we are getting the product from manufacturer, right? That's the cost we are getting from this. That's a unit cost, and unit price is the price we are going to sell in the retail shop store. We are selling in the electronic store, right? That's a unit price. And the profit, how much profit we gain from that, and with the product name. Let's see, product name. This we already seen, total sales by product. It's like a which product is maximum sold product. You can see the comparison also. Order value is unit cost. You can consider as a unit cost. It's not a unit cost. It's order value, total amount. Okay. It's total revenue means how much we got from selling the products in the store. Here data products, you can compare it also. Here is the profit we gain, because it's low means why means there are maintenance charge and other expenses like transporting charge, so we got this much profit also. Let's see, total day. Here we got a profit. We can decide basis on this also what we need, which product we need to sell in the store. If some products are total not that much profit means we can instead of that product we can use the most profitable product. Okay, we can get the most profitable product sold for selling. Data, you can see order value, its comparison, like it's a we get a half amount profit. In adventure also we get above half amount profit. That means there is no loss for us and we got a profit. And this is a low, we got minimum also, we got a profit also here. This also, this product got low revenue, this got high, and this got also, this is the two low products. Toys in the stores. Okay, total sales, so you can consider it. Instead of toys we can get this one, Adventure Works computers. You can see here in Adventure Works the products names by there. If this is a company name means a brand name means there is so many products in there. Like if a laptop means if a Dell means Dell has so many companies like G3, G7 and other other laptop names. Okay, so there are other laptop names also there. So by product name we get this in Adventure Works. Adventure Works Coffee Maker Super Auto has the highest selling rate. Can see its unit cost is only 546 and we sell it for electronic sell it for 1650. Oh, it's a profitable one. Nice, right? It's totally profitable. Store analysis. Let's check store performance, like how the store spaces and geographics. Let's see. In store analysis you can see country wise. Okay, see in Australia there are total 6 stores are there. Average size is first average size in here is 1.4 square meter is the average. 1400 square meters are the average size. Okay, it's above average only. For Australia there are 6 stores It's in 6 stores, average only 1.54 square meters. It's spacious for selling products. Okay. In Canada, you can see total 5 stores are there, and you can see in this geographic view also in Canada, North America. Average store size is 1.43k. It's also average only. And France has a below average. You can see its averages. You can see here average store by country. In this average store 3. Let's see. Average store size is 1.4k. Okay, but in France it's totally not spacious enough. It's totally too small. There are 7 stores also, but it's 7 stores average is 341. It's too small spaces. Okay, Germany it's okay, 3 stores and 143. And Netherlands also okay. Netherlands is not okay, but it's slightly okay. You can see other all are okay. This is a store when open date. Stores open date till 2021. What's the age of the store? Like in days, it shows in days. Okay. Let's see, in Australia there are 6 stores. You can see this is the Australian Capital Territory. What's the age of this store? You can see in the here. Storage is 6138 days old. 6138 means you can say 9 years, 10 years old. 10 years, right? Yeah, can approximate. Okay, that's all for the visualization. What we get from this, that's the main point. This is just an explanation. What we get from this, right? That's the main point here. That's the business analysis. This is the insights what we got from this. You can see from analyzing the visualization, we got customer purchasing behavior. The company has a total of 26 orders, including a frequency of purchase that suggests a steady customer engagement. That means the product sold from the company is a total of 26,000 orders. That means its frequency means it's some slightly not. You can say it's a manageable one. It's not going down or going up, like it's a manageable one, frequently going. Okay, then this can be leveraged to enhance customers. It shows there are some customers repeatedly come and they are the regulars, like we can say it's a regulars. We can encourage the customers to join the loyalty programs, like we can tell them to join in this social media group. You can get offer from this. Whenever the product is came, we will notify in this, like we can tell them. Sales performance, this is all from the visualization we saw. Okay, sales performance, also there are fluctuations in sale. The total revenue remains stable. It's like we got a revenue around 1 million. We got a profit. It's not we are not going to broke or anything. That's the deal. Of sales performance, the stability indicates a solid customer base even in the absence of detailed trends. Product analysis. In product analysis, the popular of we saw in this visualizations also. We saw the popularity of computers and PCs is and in this Adventure Works brand has a more popularity, means more selling products. Okay, So we can suggest these products could be focal points for marketing strategies. We can sell more products from this brand in the store. Okay, store operation. The 64 stores and an average size of 1.4k square meters. There is a potential for optimizing store layouts. We can get the space. We can use more space for the store. We can improve the store spaces or enhance customer experience for sales. Okay. And currency and financial. The balanced revenue distribution across multiple currencies indicates a well diversified market presence. We have a market presence means we are exchanging currencies normally means daily basis, which can be further capitalized on through targeted international marketing strategies. And from this we need to get the recommendation, what we need to do to improve the store. That's the actionable recommendation here. We can say enhance customer loyalty program. That's I told you. Loyalty program means it's nothing like implement loyalty program to encourage repeat purchases. It's like I told you in the previous slide. We can arrange some social media group or some platforms or communities to get the regulars more participate in the purchasing products. Okay, focus on popular products. Popular products like we see in this AdventureWorks products are more sold products, sold products. They are in desktops. Okay, we can buy another. We can buy another quantity of products for this AdventureWorks and sold it. That's optimization, like improve store optimization, conduct analysis and store layout. The customer flow. Customer come and go. There is spaces and it's environmental friendly like that. We need to optimize the store based on the customer's feedback. We can ask the customers also. Conduct analysis and store layouts and customer flow to identify areas improvement. Consider trying different layouts. Select stores to see if sales increases. Cross promotional strategies. Consider cross promotional strategies between popular products and other categories to boost sales less popular items. We can use the popular product to we can sell the unpopular product into the offer, like offer basis. Like if you buy the popular product here, you can get this offer for this less popular product, like that. We can basically make the strategies. Monitor and adapt. Even without detailed sales and trend data, it's crucial to continuously monitor sales performance and customer feedback to adapt the decisions needed. We need to be more monitored. We need to collect more data from the customer, and then we can analyze it for the future references. Forecasting and inventory management. Inventory management means we need to manage the storage of the products. We need to stack up the storage first. If you have showcased the product in the store, means we need to store the after if we sold the sold product means we needed the another stack up. So we need to have an inventory. So we need to manage the inventory properly. So we can easily come and go. Like, although the specific data on inventory turnover is not available, implementing a basic forecasting model based on historical sales data could help optimize inventory. Finally, the visualization and reporting. Create visually compelling reports and dashboards to monitor key performance indicators. Key performance, which means if it performed well in one stage, means that's a key performance. It's like it's the product sold. We seen this in this visualization, right? Like that, sales, customer engagement, and product performance. Okay, these insights and recommendations can help Global Electronics enhance customer satisfaction and maximize revenue and drive overall business. I think, let's see, that's what the result they want. On completion of the project, learners are expected to deliver a comprehensive exploratory data okay. The sales report will include visually compelling visualization, recommendation tailored to enhance marketing strategies, optimize inventory, improve sale forecasting, analyze will empower, increase customer satisfaction, and maximize overall business growth. This is what they want, the actionable recommendation based on this project from Global Electronics. Okay, thank you.